Yo, what's up, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I just wanted to make a video that gave you just a ton of value that could absolutely change the game for you this year and help you explode as a person and find success, whatever that might be, whether it's financial freedom and creating passive income or whatever it is that you aspire to be, that you really want in life. I want you to understand something that 15 years ago, when I was a young entrepreneur and I was, getting started in this game of life, of real life, once you get out of high school and everyone stops holding your hand and telling you what to do and you finally get to make some real decisions. I want you to understand that, when I was younger, I failed a lot, and I failed over this past 15 years so many times trying all kinds of different crazy businesses, different MLMs where I sold patches, where I sold video phones, where I sold DVD things that was similar to like Netflix. And I failed so many times. I didn't make barely any money at all. And I wasted a lot of my time and I wasted a lot of my money. And I just want you to understand here for a second that I was given information actually, 15 years ago, but I just wasn't ready to receive it. I wasn't ready to actually begin that hustle, that hustle mentality that actually changes the game for everybody. If you're serious about your life, if you really want to make a difference, it's up to you. It's not up to anybody else. Everybody thinks that somebody's going to give you this handout one day and that you're just magically just going to get to all these things that you dream about. Think of all your dreams, the things that you think that you can be. You really can do those things. But you have to get serious. You have to buckle down. You have to get a plan. You have to get a proven plan, a step-by-step blueprint, if you will, that tells you, exactly what you need to be doing to find success the fastest. Think about it like this. If you were going to go to the gym, and I know if you guys have watched my other videos, I relate to this a lot, but if you were gonna go to the gym, right, and you wanted to lose weight and build muscle the fastest, what would you do? You would get a personal trainer, someone who's an expert in how to lose weight fast, how to build muscle, someone that would tell you exactly what you need to eat so that you can, get the best results the fastest. And that's exactly what you need to do in life, honestly. You need to make friends with people that have what you want. Understand one thing: the people that you're surrounding yourself with, your level of success is equivalent to the 5 people that you're surrounding yourself with the most. And that's very, very true. And it doesn't mean that those people are bad people or anything like that. It just means that that's the level of success that you can expect because you're adopting their mindset. And the only way to expand upon that is to put yourself around people that have what you want so that your mind can expand, so that you can adopt those thoughts. Because what's happening up here is what's happening in your life. Your mind attracts everything into your life. And if you can get control of your mind and you can expand your thoughts and adopt the thoughts of very high level thinking people that have what you want, then you're going to attract the same type of results that they have. I want to share something with you that will absolutely change the game for you this year. It's one simple ingredient that has had a dramatic impact on my life. And I knew it 15 years ago because somebody told it to me that was very successful. I just wasn't ready to hear it, and I wasn't ready to hustle. Understand this: whatever it is that you want to be in life, whatever it is that fulfills you, you need to go down that path, and you need to not quit, and you need to just keep going. Never, ever quit and hustle. You need to take action every single day, and you will find success, my friends. It's right in front of you. You just need to reach out and grab it, and you need to keep going, and you need to adopt a mindset that you're just never freaking gonna quit. Imagine your dreams, whatever it is, right? If you dream to become a doctor, fine. If you dream to become an online entrepreneur and you want passive income, a real life of freedom so that you can enjoy everything that you freaking enjoy in life, you can absolutely do that. I can show you where to do that on this video. It's very, very simple. I have the formula, I have the blueprint for you if that's what you're aspiring to do. But the one key ingredient that everybody misses, that sets everybody apart, that makes them a success in life, a real success, a force that can't, that to be reckoned with, is the folks that literally make a decision to do something and they just refuse to never quit, and they take massive action every single day, pushing themselves every single day to become what it is that they knew that they were meant to be in life. Every single one of us was created for a reason. And everybody, not everybody, but a lot of people fall short. And I honestly believe it's because we're just lazy and we're in our comfort zone. If you are comfortable right now, that's because you're stuck. Don't ever get comfortable and just stay there. Get comfortable being uncomfortable, and you will experience massive growth. You need to be placing yourself in uncomfortable positions constantly that are, obviously healthy for your life, not, stupid, uncomfortable positions, but things that, force you to grow as a person. Because when you grow as a person, the money and everything else follows. So get comfortable being uncomfortable and never quit, you guys. My rich Uncle Tony, back when I was 15, told me this. And he did it in a seminar type fashion where we were all sitting in a room, and he put a $20 bill in front of everybody, and he asked us, how are you going to get that $20 bill? And the point of the whole thing was, I sat there and the people beside us, we all kind of just looked at each other like, I don't know, what does he want us to do? And there was one kid that literally just jumped up out of his seat and ran and grabbed the $20 bill. And that's exactly what you need to do in your life. If you want something, you freaking go get it. You don't sit there. It's never going to just fall in your lap. That is the key to success, my friends. So let me just leave you with this, you guys. And this can honestly change your life as well, if you just accept this, what I'm saying to you right now. And that is that I believe in you, and I believe that you can reach your dreams, and that you have everything that you already need to reach that level of success that you aspire to be. You really can, do whatever it is you want in life. You just have to believe in yourself. Me believing in you is great. That little bit of belief of people believing in you is great, but you have to believe in yourself as well. Believe in yourself. You are worth it. You are everything that you need to be. Have faith in yourself. Make a decision, you guys. Think of all those pain points of everything that's been holding you back every single time you failed. I think of one of the most driving factors that I have is all the times that I've just given up because things just got a little too hard and it made me uncomfortable. And, I actually had to go and actually work, and I had to keep doing things that were uncomfortable. And, I would give up. It was just easy to give up. The people that succeed are the folks that don't do what's easy. They do what's hard, and they do it again every single day. And they believe in themselves, and they know that they're worth it, and they know that they can achieve success. They just have to keep going. And that's the same thing that you need to do. So if you're just looking at where to get started, that special ingredient, that formula, that path that you need to take, that's the path of least resistance, right? The path that shows you how to do things the fastest. You're still going to experience, diversity. You're still going to experience, failure and stuff like that. But you can absolutely succeed, you guys. And I have that path for you. It's my #1 recommendation. It's directly beneath this video. It's in the top of the description. That's where I got started a year ago today. It's absolutely changed my life as a person. It's changed my life financially, and it can have the same impact on you. So check that out. Get started today, you guys. I cannot recommend it enough. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please be sure to crush that thumbs up. That's super important. That way we can get this message out to as many people as possible so we can change their life too. Also, if you like videos just like the one you're watching right now, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content. And make sure that you drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. Check in with me. Show me some love. And, I always appreciate, all the support that I get from everybody that watches these videos and supports this channel. So thank you for all of that. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.